Hey everyone, Dylan Garrison with Downtown Resource Group, back today at 801 Washington Lofts. Now this is as an industrial property as you will find in downtown Minneapolis. You will have exposed brick, exposed timber, and huge open spaces with ridiculously high ceilings. We're going to take a quick look at the unit that, by the way, includes a giant private garage door that opens out onto Washington Avenue and 2 levels of living. You can see the master suite upstairs behind me. Then we'll head into the building. It has a private art gallery inside of it. And finally, we'll check out the North Loop neighborhood that surrounds it. Now, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to set up a tour, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great day.